Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies. And in this video, we are going to discuss camera obscura and feminist film criticism. Introduction. Founded in 1974 by four pioneering women, Janet Bergstrom, Sandy Filterman, Elizabeth Hart Leon, and Constance Penley, Camera Obscura emerged as a groundbreaking journal dedicated to exploring the relationship between women and cinema. Particularly interested in avant-garde and experimental films made by women, the journal quickly became a critical platform for feminist film theory. Camera Obscura reflects the evolving theoretical beliefs of its founders, who were keen in practicing feminist socialism within their editorial practices. The birth of Camera Obscura. The origins of Camera Obscura can be traced back to the editorial board of Women and Film, where the four founders initially collaborated. However, unresolved controversies within Women and Film led them to create a new outlet that would better align with their feminist socialist ideals. Thus, Camera Obscura was born, providing a fresh platform for their innovative theories and experiments. In the early years, the founders operated as a single unit known as Camera Obscura Collective. They idealistically signed all their work collectively, whether produced individually or as a team. However, by 1976, the limitations of the collective model became apparent. The monolithic approach was perceived as discouraging external contributions, prompting the founders to shift towards a more individualized editorial structure. Evolution of editorial practices. As Women and Film collapsed in 1976, Camera Obscura took on the additional responsibility of reporting on women's film activities through a section titled Women Working. This marked a shift in the journal's role, extending its influence beyond theoretical discourse to include practical information about the women's film movement. By 1986, the editorial collective evolved into a group of individual editors, though collaboration remained a hallmark of their work. While they continued to co-author articles occasionally, the practice of signing work under the collective name was largely abandoned in favor of recognizing individual contributions. Theoretical focus and ideological commitments. Camera Obscura has consistently positioned itself at the intersection of feminism and film theory. In their editorial for the fifth issue, Spring 1980, the editors underscored the importance of analyzing the structural and symbolic role of sexual difference in classical cinema. This emphasis on feminism and the classical film became a recurring theme throughout the journal's history. The journal's commitment to ideology-driven analysis has not been without controversy. The editor's admiration of Jean-Luc Godard, for instance, was met with both praise and criticism. A triple issue, numbers 8, 9 and 10, fall 1982, dedicated to Godard's work, exemplified their reverence for his contributions to cinema. However, critics like James Roy McBean accused the editors of a narrow interpretive approach, suggesting they focused too much on the fictional narrative rather than the actual events of Godard's films. Criticism and contribution. Despite facing criticism for their ideological rigidity, the editors of Camera Obscura have made undeniable contributions to feminist film theory. McBean, despite his critiques, acknowledged the journal's significant role in advancing the understanding of Godard's work and, by extension, its broader impact on film studies. The journal's influence extends beyond individual critiques to its overall contribution to feminist discourse in cinema. Through their dedication to exploring the representation of women in film, the editors have challenged traditional narratives and opened new avenues for feminist scholarship. Conclusion: Camera Obscura stands as a testament to the power of feminist thought in reshaping the landscape of film criticism. Founded on principles of feminist socialism, the journal has evolved over the decades, refining its editorial practices while maintaining a steadfast commitment to exploring the relationship between women and cinema. Despite facing criticism, Camera Obscura has made a lasting impact on feminist film theory, offering valuable insights and fostering a deeper understanding of the intersection between gender and cinematic representation. So this was the discussion on Camera Obscura and feminist film criticism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.